Good evening. This is Ms. Chaddock's tutorial video from today's lesson on comparing place values for MBT1. The main concept to remember that each place value in the place value system is 10 times greater than the place value to its right. A sample homework problem for today and tonight is the value of the 3 in thousands place in 23,451 is blank the value of the 3 in the hundreds place in 81,347. The strategy is to draw a place value chart from ones to the largest place value. So we're looking at the thousands place and the hundreds place. We're comparing those two threes. So I'm going to draw a place value chart, ones, tens, hundred, and then thousand we represent with a TH. Then I go in and we circle the two places identified in our problem. One is the thousands, one is the hundreds. And the task is to move from the larger place value to the smaller place value. Not on the line, but from place to place until you reach the lowest place value. So we start at 1,000 and we move to 100. So to go from thousands to hundreds, that's one jump. One place value jump is 10 times. So the value of the 3 in the thousands place is 10 times the value of the 3 in the hundreds place. Another example, if you are giving the value of the 5 in 17,054 is blank the value of the 5 in 25,613. So as you can see, we are not given the actual place value, but we do know the place value based on our knowledge of the place value system from ones all the way up to 100,000s. So I still need to go to my numbers and circle the digit that we are comparing. We're comparing the first 5, which is in the ones, tens. We are comparing the second 5, which is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So again, we draw our place value chart to our largest place value, which is thousands, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. We come back to our place value chart and we circle the two places of the 5 in our numbers. We circle the tens and we circle the thousands. And again, like problem number 1, we have to move the 5 from the thousands place to the 5 in the tens place. One place, which is 10 times. 2 places, which is another 10 times. So when a digit moves 2 places, that is the same as saying 10 times 10 or 100 times. So the value of the 5 in 17,054 is 100 times the value of the 5 in 25,613. Now a good easy way to remember how to calculate the number of times 1 place is 10 times. 1 place, 1 0. 2 places, 100 times, or 2 zeros. 3 places, 1,000 times, or 3 zeros for the 3 places. And the pattern will continue by simply adding a 0 for every other place that you add. So that is our tutorial on comparing place values 4.MBT1.